Hi gorgeous, let's try on the Kiss Lash Couture Rebel Collection. They've sent me 6 pairs of lashes and 2 lash glues, and we love that. These lashes appear to be more on the thicker, voluminous, edgy side as opposed to the new natural lashes. I have on a half lash of the new naturals right now, so these are going to be a little more ba-bam. Let's do it. Okay, these are cute. I wasn't sure because of how long they are, but they're light. I thought these would be like ba-bam, but because they are so fluttery with the mink effect, they, like, you can see how long they are when I get up close. The glue hasn't dried completely down. That's how excited I was to get back on camera and show you. Like, these are really fun. These are called Downtown Girl. These are called vibin, and I'm not getting it because we are not vibin. We are standing out from all the rest. So, like, these lashes, ignore the small gap, okay? I've been putting on lashes, like, for the past 2 hours, so my lids are tired, my lashes are tired, your girl is tired, but these are a little more extreme, a little more, let me be the glam girl in the room. Definite let me be the rebel. There it is. There it is. Yeah, these are big. But again, very lightweight, mink effect, freaking the way they've made these. It's like you, as big and glamorous, vavoom as they look, they feel weightless. So these are called Volume Up. Girl, each application is getting worse and worse because there's clumpy glue on my lashes, but it's okay. These are cute. We have one more pair to go and my eyes can catch a break. But this is a cute line of lashes, for real. For real. The last and final pair is called Main Character. They're gorgeous, fluttery, large, and in charge. If my camera would focus, that would be so nice. Very large and in charge. This whole collection is so lightweight. Like, I cannot get over how rebel-like and just, you know, bad girl look they give, which gives bold, big, intense, but they're so lightweight. It's unreal. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Kiss, for sending me these lashes, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.